see this? Yeah. This I'm gonna just solve with a quick strat I call the apex strat. Everything needs to be in apex in my rules. So you see this? This is separated from these two. So what we have to do is do something real quick. It's gonna be what I call speed cube. Speed cube is not that hard. See, what you're gonna do is you're gonna have this one box, and that one box over here. See, what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn everything around by coloring it, by removing it, closing it, and then also it. And you get to be removed, and yeah, you can see this. It's gold. Be done. Now let's make a second one. Just pure movement. Look at this. How do you move this all in a quick strat? Look at this. This is insane. And this is a strat. And wherever there are 3 blocks, or even 4 like this, which almost creates a hammer, you need to spare those blocks. Like 1, 2, 3. Okay. But you're not gonna keep these. So start moving them and adding greens or blue. So what is the most percentage blue? So you need to start moving blue. So what I like to do with the middle is I like to remove the top off like this. Watch this. Watch this. This is gonna look insane. But I am not insane to do this. But you're gonna remove this, keep it to the side, and then you remove blue. Just put it back, and somehow it's gonna start breaking with the force. You need to break 2 pieces. That is going to put friction enough to break it in. Then everything reconnected. Everything has been reconnected to be how I like found it. And look at this. And I did an India scramble. Yeah, so if you want to bet money on the scramble, the money is in the description below. Hint, hint.